This video I will explain what is Paytm. Paytm is a digital payment app that helps you to send money, receive money and pay bills using your mobile phone. Instead of using cash, you can use Paytm to make payments quickly and safely. The word Paytm stands for Pay Through Mobile. Now we will see simple real life example. Imagine you go to a shop to buy groceries. Earlier you would pay using cash. Now with Paytm, you can simply scan a QR code and pay using your phone. This means you no need to carry cash. You no need to wait for change. Payment happens in seconds. Now we will see the important concepts you should know. First one, Paytm Wallet. A Paytm wallet is like a digital pocket inside the app where you can store money. You add money to the wallet, then use it to pay for things. For example, you add 500 rupees to your wallet and use it to recharge your mobile. Second one, UPI, which is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. UPI is a system that lets you send money directly from your bank account. No need to add money to the wallet. Money goes directly from your bank to another person's bank. For example, you send 200 rupees to your friend directly from your bank account using Paytm. Third one, QR code. A QR code is a square black and white code that you scan using your phone. It contains payment details. You scan it to pay instantly. For example, at a tea shop, you scan the QR code to pay 20 rupees. Fourth one, OTP. OTP is nothing but one-time password. An OTP is a temporary password which is sent to your phone to confirm your identity. It is used for security and valid only for a short time. Now we will see step by step how Paytm works. Step 1. You have to install the Paytm app. You have to download Paytm from your phone's app store and install it. And open the app and enter your mobile number. Step 2. Verify your mobile number. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP to verify your number. This step ensures your account is secure. Step 3. Set up your account. Enter your basic details like name. Your Paytm account is now ready. Step 4. Add money or link bank account. You have two options. Option 1 is add money to Paytm wallet. Transfer money from your bank to wallet. Use wallet balance for payments. Option 2. Link your bank account using UPI. Connect your bank account and you can pay directly from your bank. Step 5. You can start using Paytm. Now you can send money to friends, receive money from others, pay bills like electricity, water and mobile recharge. You can shop online. You can scan QR codes to pay in shops. Here I have opened Google Play Store. Click on search. Search for Paytm. Here you can see the Paytm. I already installed Paytm and Paytm will look like this. Now we will see real life use cases. First use case, paying at store. You buy snacks worth of 50 rupees. You scan the QR code, you enter the amount, click on pay. Done in seconds. Second use case, sending money to friend. Your friend paid for lunch. Open Paytm, enter friend's number, send 200 rupees. Third use case, paying bills. Your electricity bill is due. You open the Paytm, select electricity, enter details and pay instantly. Now we will see why people use Paytm. Fast payments, no need for cash, easy to use, works anywhere with internet, safe with OTP and security checks. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.